Welcome back to my channel yet again. I was gonna change my clothes, but I was like, let's just keep rolling with it, okay? We're still kind of on the same topic per se. So I posted a video about brow lamination, and now we're gonna be talking about the eyelash lift. Love doing an eyelash lift. This is my second time doing it, and I'm even happier than the first time. I'm obsessed. So I got this kit. If you watched the other video, I spoke about this kit. This is from Iconsign. This is their lash lift eyelash perming kit. Comes with your perm, your fixation, your nutrition, and your cleanser. It comes with eye pads, and what was this? Your lift pads and your cleaning tool, and then your false lashes glue. So that's everything that comes in this kit. Like, this is all you need, and you're gonna be able to get a couple uses out of this. So this is not a one-time use kind of kit. I feel like I could probably last the rest of the year with this, being that doing my eyelashes the very first time, it lasted literally 2 months. I was blown away by how long it lasted me. I've always seen like 6 to 8 weeks, and that's literally the time, that's how long it's gonna last you. So I just like the idea of a lash lift. Obviously I'm not someone who wears makeup every single day, and I just find when your lashes are lifted, you look prettier. Like, you don't look like a mole rat with like no lashes. Normally my lashes go kind of straight down and pointy, and lifting them up, I just like, I don't know, it's like this flirty cute look you get. Anywho, I have gotten lash extensions before. I got it twice before, and they were both back to back, and I feel like my lashes broke. Like, after taking them off completely, I feel like my lashes just weren't as full, they weren't as long, they were not as like there. You could kind of see the tips were kind of blunt, and they were really short. So another thing that I did was, after doing this, I specifically started using the Grande Cosmetics lash serum and their lash conditioner. So I started using those, and we're gonna save that for another video. But if you're someone who really wants to have that, you know, I woke up like this, really natural look, and have your lashes look just bomb without having extensions, without having to put mascara, without this or that, I definitely recommend, while you do your lash lift, like afterwards, using the lash serum, because it's gonna give you the most amazing lashes. So moving on to the kit, I do have a full demo of me putting it on. I did do one eye first, and then I did the other eye. I did the other eye on camera. I wanted to do the first one first to like remember what I did last time, and if there was anything I would do differently. It's very difficult to do both at the same time, so you're gonna want to do one at a time. I think it took me about over an hour to do, because between times you're waiting 10 minutes, and I think the time that takes the longest, maybe even more than 10 minutes, depends how good you are, is securing the lift pads onto your eye, and then securing the eyelashes onto the lift pad. Because what happens is, if this isn't pressed up against your eye, the pad obviously comes off the eye, and then the lashes aren't sticking. If they're not sticking well enough to the pad, then they're not sticking to the pad, and you're not gonna get that curl. So it's like, this is the key part. The most important part is literally putting on the iPad, sticking it on, making sure you've got enough glue to hold it down, and then enough glue on the lashes to keep them stuck on the pad. That's probably like the most important part, besides not getting the solutions into your eye. I definitely recommend this kit. I love how easy it was to use. If you're considering buying this kit, in the directions it does state to use their iPads, but it doesn't come with iPads. I don't know if it was because of the seller I got it from. I don't know if it's this kit in general. I saw other people saying the same thing, that they didn't come with iPads. So if you did want to get that, you might want to get it separately. I have done this 2 times and I haven't used the iPads and I've been absolutely fine. So I guess it's more preference. If you want to be, you know, safe than sorry, then you're just gonna have to get them separately, and I'm pretty sure they're inexpensive. But I will leave links down below. It will be a link to this and a link to some iPads. Another thing, a lot of people do get their eyelashes tinted. Now, I would recommend it only if you know that your lashes are lighter. If your lashes are brown, black, like, don't even waste your time. I did do it the very first time that I did my lash lift. I went to go get them tinted and I saw no difference. I absolutely saw 0 difference. I don't know why I thought all these like hidden lashes were gonna like come to light and I was about to have like full-blown strip lashes. That was not the case. My lashes are dark already, so I did not need to get the tint. I think if your lashes are like on the lighter brown side, on the blonde side, then that's when it's like bomb, okay? But if your lashes are already dark, like, don't even bother going to get it because it's not gonna make that much of a difference. Hey guys, so let's just jump right into it. I already did my right eye. We're gonna go ahead with the left eye. I did cleanse it already, so the first step was to use your cleanser to remove oil, dust, and makeup residue. It just looks just like this. I took a Q-tip, dipped it in, and then ran it along my eyelashes and on my eyelid. You really want to make sure that your eyelid has no oil or anything on it because you really want the pad to stick really, really good. I think the key here, the #1 key, and the thing that is going to take you the longest to do in this whole situation is actually putting on the pad and making sure that it stays and gluing down the lashes to the pad. That was probably it took me so long, and if you don't put enough glue when you are putting on the other solutions, it's actually going to make the lashes come off, and you're gonna spend the entire 20 minutes of even just putting the products on to like keep sticking them, and that's something that I was like so annoyed with right now, honestly. So I'm glad I did 1 eye at a time, and it is very hard to do 2 eyes at a time. You really want to make sure that you do not get any of these products into your eyeball, okay? So I have the large one here. See, the larger the pad, the bigger the bump is. First things first, your lashes and lid are prepped. You're gonna take your glue that the kit comes with. This is their Falsy Lashes glue. This thing dries super, super fast. So you're gonna wanna apply it a generous amount. I noticed since the pad is bigger, it is bigger on your eye, and it needs a lot of glue to stay down. If it doesn't stay pressed to the eyelid, the lashes will just not curl that good. And the places it lives the most are the inner corner and the outer corner. Go figure. This is literally the part that takes just so long. Okay, so next step after that's pretty secure is I put the glue right on the pad. This is where you're gonna be putting your lashes. So you're gonna put the glue right on the pad, right where they're gonna curl onto. You can see that this is lifting. I'm just gonna try to add a little bit more glue. Let's see. Okay, you're gonna take this contraption here, and I like to use this curve side to start lifting and placing the lashes. And I like to go in with the glue again, and even on top of the lashes, you have to get them
down to where they will not move.
When you're done and tired, you're gonna give it at least a good minute.
See if anybody lifts up. If anybody lifts up, slap them down.
Okay, so they're on, they're not going anywhere. Now the next step is to use perm lotion number 1. Looks just like this. It says number 1 on it. It's the white solution, and I'm gonna use a cotton round, dip it in, swirl, and then apply to the lashes. I'm trying to get it where you can still see it with the light. I won't, if I go like this, I don't think you guys can see that well. I'm filming like this because when you're doing something like this, you need that good mirror, and we're not trying to go blind here. So you want to put a good amount from root to tip, but don't go right at the root where it's touching your skin of the eyelid. You want to go right above that and just coat the lashes. Now make sure that they're laying down. Grab your little tool again, try to press them in. And then the plastic is going to help really keep them down. And on the plastic. Close your eye, lay it, and just sit there for 10 minutes. We probably should have put our timer on before. 10 minutes. Okay, and just relax. I'm gonna check in about like a couple to make sure that they're still on there nice and flat. Okay, so the timer is up. We spent 10 minutes on it. I had to take off the plastic and keep putting the lashes up every so often. I probably had to do it like 2 times. So now the next step is to use number 2, which is a fixation lotion, and this is the little blue one. And again, we're going to use a Q-tip to apply. Should look like that. And you can put the plastic again. I'm going to try it with the plastic one more time. If I see that they're lifting, I'm just not even going to bother and just let it flow. And then when I do apply the plastic, I like to put it on and then swipe up, because I want to make sure all the lashes are, you know, pressed down. So again, we're gonna give ourselves 10 minutes. All right, timer is up. It's like, oh, are we done yet? Are we done yet? All right, so the next step is to cleanser. Use cleanser. Number 4, that's the clear one. It's the one that you use in the very beginning, and I'm just gonna use a Q-tip. I'm gonna dip that in, and you're gonna start you know, cleansing the lashes. I like to just start going up to remove. Be careful with the cleanser. I don't know if it's the cleanser in particular, but it can sting a little. And then just start rubbing the lashes off of the pad. And then I like to take the same Q-tip cleanser and start running it behind the pad. Like I squeeze it in between and gently, because remember your eyelid is attached. Just start to rub it, and then it comes right off. And then cleanse the eyelid, because we did put all that gel to keep on the pad. And then the next step after that is nutrition lotion. And that is this yellow bottle here. It's like an oil, just to provide nutrition for your lashes. Do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like for me, and definitely comment down below if you've tried this kit, if you're interested, or if you have any questions at all. Just leave them down in the comment section, and I will do my best to get to all of you guys. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.